half a mile from the village, the two cow killers are resting in the shade. Lions need to drink after feeding, and this is the only water nearby. A cattle trough. But there are lions here already, with small cubs. The killers move closer. These cubs could be in great danger. Two mothers, both limping from thorns in their feet, bring the defenseless cubs out into the open. These males must be their fathers, or the cubs would be dead by now. They share the water all together. For two lionesses to bring up 4 healthy cubs is a great achievement. To do it so close to a village is a miracle. People are their neighbors. These lions are not refugees from the forest. This is their home. But how does a pride survive here, and with such small cubs?